Hey YouTube, what's up? Today I'm going to be showing you my letter. I was doing some tricks with this in a recent video, first video actually. I just want to review it. I told you guys it's not a zippo, and that was correct. It is a star. I don't know how good you can read that, but whatever. It's Leo 3, the lion. It's pretty cool. Down there it says Leo 3. Windproof. That's the exact same way as the zippo. Don't know if I can get that out right now. Just like a zippo. It's exactly the same as a zippo. Let me say that. Works the same. Hinges are perfect. Okay. Well, I'm just trying to show you guys review. It's very good. It's held up for about 3 years for me now. 3 years. Ran out of gas last year. Got the wick in there. And so really spark. It's got no gas in it right now. Really good. I like it a lot. It's actually the first one I had, first windproof lighter. Sorry about the background noise. TV's on. I'm working on TV. I'm recording from Greece. But I'm gonna tell you this. This is a very nice lighter. I'll see if I can put a link in the description of where to find one of these on eBay or something. I got this one for very cheap, €3. But see you later.